What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video, I will be unboxing the brand new M4 powered 13-inch MacBook Air. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe, drop in a comment down below letting me know that you have, so I can write your name on the subscriber wall of fame. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first and foremost, I do want to quickly mention that this brand new M4 powered MacBook Air comes with an 8-core CPU along with an 8-core GPU. We have 16GB of unified memory and 256GB of storage. It now starts off at £999 here in the United Kingdom or $999 if you are in the United States. It comes in a range of 4 different colours from Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and this time around we have the new sky blue colour, and of course as you can see I am about to unbox the sky blue colour. But that's enough talking about that. Let's crack open the box and see what actually comes included with this new MacBook Air. So on the rear of the box you will find some pull tabs on the top and bottom. Now pulling away at these and lifting away the lid reveals this MacBook Air sat atop. Now if we place this to a side, we got a first look at what other items come included. Now the first of these is our Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope, and within this you will find a quick start guide which gives you a general overview of some of the software elements like the dock and the menu bar, along with pointing out the ports on this MacBook Air. This is then followed up by some health and safety and regulatory information along with further details on our Apple 1-year limited warranty. The next items that come included make up our 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Now as I mentioned, this comes in 2 parts. So if you do need to extend the reach of your charger, then you can purchase a power extension cable from Apple which retails for around £20. Unfortunately, however, this 30-watt USB-C power adapter will not be able to fast charge this MacBook Air to 50% in 30 minutes. As you will need to spend an additional £20 through the configurator on Apple's website to purchase the 70-watt USB-C power adapter in order to fast charge this MacBook Air to 50% in 30 minutes. So in order to fast charge this MacBook Air, you will need to use the USB-C to MagSafe 3 power cable. Now this power cable has an approximate length of 2 meters, and as you can see it is braided and color matched to the color of the MacBook Air. And then of course we have this MacBook Air. Let me know what you think of this color. So that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, go and follow me on my social media, links to which can be found down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.